Hi, and welcome back. I am Danilo Romolini, and today we are in the Lazio region, not far from Rome and a short distance away from Formia, Gaeta and Sperlonga. This incredible view you see right behind me is the view we have from the modern villa we are about to see. It was designed by the famous Italian architect Cherubino Gambardella. Are you excited to see it? Come with me. The idea was to create a villa with a unique appearance on the Mediterranean Sea. The structure was realized by enclosing a reinforced concrete frame, which today results in this beautiful, pointy, modern design. It was thought to be as efficient as possible in terms of energy consumption. In fact, it has solar panels on the roof and it is completely covered with this beautiful ceramic, which hides a very efficient insulation system. The villa has many doors on the ground floor. This not only allows you to enjoy this incredible sea view from the living areas, but also to access to this beautiful terrace that goes all around the villa and to arrive to the swimming pool area that I'm about to show you. And here we are by this 8 by 3 meters infinity edge swimming pool. It is in a great position in the property. In fact, it has a view on the countryside and also on the sea right behind. It is completely surrounded by this beautiful paved terrace, perfect to enjoy during the summer days. And over there is a shower, whereas going up these steps, we get to a hot tub and to a sauna. Una caratteristica che mi ha colpito molto di questa proprietà è la sua forma. Infatti l'architetto Gambardella si è ispirato alle colline qua di fronte e ha riprodotto questa forma sulla villa. Infatti oggi, pur avendo un design moderno, si inserisce molto bene in questo stupendo paesaggio. Have a look at this lovely location that I found on top of the property, where we have this table where you can sit and enjoy a book while you have this stunning view right in front of you. In terms of land, the property is surrounded by 2,500 square meters of external space. Now that we're done seeing all of the outside of the property, let me show you the inside. Walking in from the main entrance door, we straight away get to this open plan living space with a living area on my left and a very useful bathroom over there. Whereas on my right, we get to this part of the living space with the kitchen, a pantry room and the dining room. Straight in front of these 3 big windows that let you walk outside and enjoy the terrace during the summer days. On this side of the living space, there is what is today used as a studio, but by closing this sliding door, you could separate it from the rest of the living areas and create a very useful guest room. Over there, through this door, we get to a wardrobe, and it would also have its own independent access. The villa is laid over 2 floors with 230 square meters in total and 3 bedrooms. The third bedroom would be the one I just showed you over there, and the second is this bedroom over here, perfect for kids. Let me now show you the master bedroom on the first floor. The whole first floor of the villa is dedicated to the master bedroom, with this big bathroom on my right, which both has shower and bathtub. And passing through this door, we get to the actual bedroom with an incredible view of the sea right in front. And passing over there, we get to this walk-in wardrobe, which could also be used as a little bedroom for kids. In fact, now we can find a bed. And right beside, there is the second terrace of the property. From this terrace, you really appreciate the position of this property. In fact, you have a 180-degree view of the sea, and from here you can also see the Vesuvius over there in the distance. We now got to the end of today's property tour. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Ciao!